guys, today I am so excited to be partnering up with a brand called Cupshe. Now this is my very first time ever trying the brand, and they found out that I was going on a little birthday trip to Jamaica in a couple weeks, and so they sent me a bunch of stuff to try. So this essentially is going to be everything that I'm packing for my vacation coming up in the first week of December. And I'm really excited to try this brand for the first time. This will be my honest opinion. I have not tried these pieces on yet, so you will be getting the real deal. And before we get started, I wanted to just quickly give you guys my measurements for reference. I'm 5'7", I have a 36-inch bust. I'm wearing a 34 D cup bra. My waist is 29 inches, my hip is 44 inches, and I generally wear a size 8, 10, or size medium. So initially I thought Cupshe was just a swimsuit brand, but actually they have really cute dresses and cover-ups and loungewear, and they offer sizes extra small to 4X. Today I have 4 swimsuits, 3 cover-up, and 1 dress to go over with you guys today. I will be dropping all of the links below, as well as my sizing and price, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to shout them out in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, can we talk about this cute dress? Ooh, so excited about this. Let's start off with this amazing linen-esque dress. This is so cute. I absolutely love it, and it fits me like a freaking glove. I always like to point out when a cut of a dress works really well for my body shape with a smaller waist and a wider hip. This dress couldn't be more perfect. It is fitted through my bust and my waist. It accentuates my waist and then flares out, going nicely around my lower half. I always like to point out when I find a really well cut dress made perfectly for this shape of mine. This is an A-line style dress, and this is really good for triangle shapes. This material has no stretch in it whatsoever. However, there is some smocking on the back, which is super stretchy, as well as the straps. There is no closure to this dress. You just slip it on over your head, but because of the stretch in the back, it can get over with no problem at all. These buttons down the front are faux. There is no actual opening, which is kind of nice. So you don't have to worry about the wind catching it at all. I love the fact that it has a tie closure. This also can come off as well if you do not want to have the little tie. I love the length of this. It hits me mid-calf. Again, for reference, I'm 5'7". And I have to tell you guys that I'm obsessed with this dress, and this may be the dress that I wear on my birthday. I also love when a piece can be super versatile. So not only these straps can be worn over your shoulder, they can be dropped off your shoulder for a little off the shoulder moment as well. This is just a stunning dress. I'm so glad that I found this. And I got this for $32. I'm in a size medium, and I have to tell you that the average price on their site is less than $25. So everything is super affordable. And to be honest with you guys, this is really good quality material. Next up is this beautiful kimono style cover up, and I'm just dying over this, you guys. It is so beautiful. I'm wearing a size medium. It was $35.99, and there's just so many details to talk about. First of all, let's talk about these really cute tassel ties. This color is like a rusty sort of orange color. I love anything tassel. I think it's such a fun detail. You guys can either close it up with a little tie like this for a little bit more coverage, or you can leave it open. I love the lace trim detail. This is a boho style sort of cover up. It has bell sleeves. It's not stretchy, and I just absolutely love the pattern on this, and I think that it pairs really well with pretty much any of the neutral colors, navies, whites, creams, maybe not black, but like beiges, browns, that sort of family. I also think the length is absolutely perfect as well. It is like a maxi length, but I think that this is such a fun cover up. It has so many fun details. It is just super cute. I love the pattern. And let's talk about the swimsuit. So let me start off by saying that I'm already impressed by Cupshe, okay? Because whenever I try swimsuits, it's always a prayer that I send up, that I hope and pray that it fits my top and my bottom at the same time. And this one does. I'm so excited. I chose a navy one-piece suit because I don't have a lot of blue in my wardrobe, and I really want to start incorporating navy a little bit more. And I just think that this fits me so well. It has some really cute cutout details. It does have pads, but they are removable. And the other thing that I wanted to state was that these straps are also adjustable. So sometimes if you have a longer torso or a shorter torso, then you would need to maybe adjust the straps to make it work for your body, which is why I love the fact that they have those, because it really just works for everybody's body type. Another reason why I chose this suit was because it sort of accentuates, again, my waist with this sort of cutout right here. I think that anything that accentuates my waist is something that I'm definitely interested in, just because I have a triangle body type. If you guys have been around, you know that I am all about accentuating what I have as opposed to hiding it. So anything that accentuates my waist and then accentuates my wider hips is what I'm all about. And I just need to also explain to you guys that this suit, as long as I've had it on, has not moved. So this is a wedgie proof swimsuit, and as you guys can tell, I'm moving all over the place and it's staying in place, which is chef's kiss. The cut on me is really good. I tend to bring suits up like this. I think it's probably meant to be worn down here, which, as you guys can see the difference, right? This versus this on my body, and tell me which one works better for my shape, right? So I always like to bring it up a little bit over my hips, but again, this is such a stunning suit in blue, and I'm not sure if you guys can tell or not, but it's not just a flat blue, it has a little bit of metallic in it, which I think is so fun. Okay, Cupshe, you are 2 for 2 so far in the bathing suit department. I am so excited. I love a good high-waisted bikini, and I love the fact that it has a white short sleeve top and a high-waisted, high-rise black bottom. I love the color blocking. I also love the fact that this is a short sleeve, right? It's not something that you see super often. Has a little bunny tie closure here where you can knot it. However, it's all about safety for me, y'all. This is a faux knot. And if you're in the ocean and you get caught by a big old wave, I do not want my bikini top coming undone. So I love that safety feature. It does have soft cups, but they are also removable. But in a white bikini top, I prefer to have them. And as you guys can see, in some bathing suits, they look really bad with cups. These look perfect with cups. So I'm definitely going to be keeping these in the bathing suit top. I am in a medium bottom and a medium top, and this was $29.99. And I also have to tell you guys that Cupshe is having a major Black Friday sale, so be sure to check out their site on Black Friday. They're going to be offering crazy discounts. For all of you triangle babes out there with a smaller waist and a bigger, wider hip, a high-waisted bikini bottom works really well for us. If it is low rise, I tend to get this sort of muffin toppy type thing over the edge of the bikini bottom. So I really love a high rise, high-waisted bikini bottom. This, my girls, might be the swimsuit of the haul. Are you actually kidding me? I am obsessed with this one. I just love this for so many reasons. Let's first talk about the colors. Okay, this green sort of turquoise color is stunning. And it might have not been paired with a better combo of a cream ivory color and also orange piping, as well as the orange tie-up detail in the back. I mean, the color combination probably couldn't get any better than this. I am in a medium bottom and also a medium top. I got this for $32.99. Again, remember about the Black Friday deal. This is a halter style top. It does not have adjustable straps, as you guys can see. Again, it does have pads that are removable, but I have to tell you something that is a personal preference of mine. I much prefer my nipples to not be seen at all. I know we all have them, I know that it's a normal thing, but I just prefer to have the pads in because A, it gives me some shape and also protects the world from seeing my actual nipple. If you guys are like me, go ahead and keep them in. If you cannot stand the pads in bikini tops, go ahead and remove them. It is super easy. They've made it incredibly easier to remove them, so it should be no problem at all. This is considered medium support in the bikini. However, I think that it is actually more like a sports bra feel, so it gives me a little bit more high coverage than just medium. As you guys can see, I can sort of run around and things will be staying in place. Also, we have another wedgie proof bikini bottom. That is something that I always look for because I do not want to be picking my wedgie at the pool, at the beach. I want it to just stay in place. Now let me show you the cover up that I got to go with this. I went ahead and took off the bikini top because this is a tube style top, which would be great to pair with a tube style bikini. However, you could also just take it off if you're done with the beach and just throw this on over nothing, like me. This is a khaki color, and if you guys have been following me on Instagram, I wore an outfit head to toe in a very similar color last week, and this color is really hard for my skin tone because it's just too similar. So with that being said, I'm getting a spray tan before I go to Jamaica, so this color is going to look perfect when I have a little bit more olive skin, a little bit more contrast between the color of the top and skirt and my skin complexion. So I'm always weary of purchasing this color because it's just really hard. So I tend to steer clear, but I figured with a little bit of bronze skin, it's going to look fantastic. This is only going to be worn during the summer or during times where I do have darker skin, so it will work just fine. I'm in a medium top and medium bottom. This was $23.99. And let me just show you the detail of the tie. So this comes apart as a whole separate piece. And I love tying it all the way to the left so that way I can have my leg be exposed because I think that this is a super sexy look. And this is just an amazing beach cover up that I absolutely love. We have made it to the last bikini. I have one more cover up to show you, but so far, 4 for 4 for Cupshe for properly really great fitting bikinis and bathing suits on this curvy body. This might be the white bathing suit of my dreams, okay? I never thought that I would be able to own a white bathing suit because they are always see-through. This one, my friends, is completely safe. And the reason why is because it's double layered. I also have to tell you guys that with a white bathing suit, I always keep my cups in for the extra protection of it not being see-through, so I'm not indisposed to the entire world. If you bring your cups all the way down to the very bottom of your bikini triangle, you can barely tell that it is even there. This bathing suit is safe on the see-through part. My nipples are not showing as well as my butt is not showing. I do want to point out, without getting too up close and personal, that there is an extra layer of fabric, which makes 3 layers, in this region down here to protect it from being see-through even more. I am in a medium top and a medium bottom. This was $24.99. And folks, we have another wedgie proof bikini bottom. They are all Curvy Girl approved, especially with this booty of mine. We do not want to be picking out wedgies at the pool or the beach because that's just not cute. I've always struggled with not only underwear, but bikini bottoms that will just stay in place, that work with my waist and also these cheeks of mine. And this, oh, I'm just so happy. I love a good V-neck halter top because this is flattering on most bodies, as well as being able to adjust the top so you can have a little bit more lift. You can tighten it a little bit more or loosen it a little bit more based on your body, and then also in this back region. And then I also love this sort of tie at the waist, which is a super cute detail. Okay guys, are you ready for the cover up of the day? Oh, I'm so excited. I love this, you guys. I love this. I just threw it on over the wet bikini. However, when you have something like this, I'm going to show you a little bit of a trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply untie the knot and then stick it in the back. So that way it alleviates any sort of bulge. That is just a quick stylist tip on how to sort of make things work for any instance. This is a crochet style tassel cover up, and I cannot get over how stunning this is. I mean, this looks like it is luxury. I am wearing a size medium. I got it for $27.99, and your girl could just not be happier. There is no closure to get into this, so you just essentially throw it on over your head. It has braided straps, which I think is such a cute detail, and of course the tassel hem, which I'm so happy right now because I cannot wait to wear this when I get to Jamaica, and it's going to be a stunning piece to wear over any bathing suit. It's super comfortable and very flattering on my figure, and I feel like this will work with any body shape. Okay ladies, that wraps up my Cupshe bikini cover up and dress haul and try on. And you guys, I could not be more happier. I mean, everything fits super well. And what I loved most about it is that the quality of the fabric was definitely top notch. It's affordable and it fits my curves so well. Like I mentioned before, Cupshe is having an incredible Black Friday sale, so be sure to check their sale out. I will be dropping all the information in the information box below. And I also wanted to point out a couple things. I can't speak to the history of Cupshe because, again, I've never tried this brand before. This is my first time trying things, but I do want to point out that from some of the feedback that they got from other customers, they made the pads super easy to remove now. From what I also understand, they have new rings and new sliders on all adjustable bikini tops, which I guess is supposed to make it super easy. Cupshe has also sort of standardized their coverage of their bum and also the rise of most bikini bottoms, so that way their customers will know exactly what they're getting and they won't have to sort of second guess if the bottoms are going to fit or cover their booty. That's it ladies. I really appreciate you guys coming along with me today for my Cupshe haul and try on. Be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that way you guys get notification every time I upload a new video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment box below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!